Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing great. So today I'm going to go over these Canon ink cartridges. It's 246 color ones. You know, I'm pretty sure that this will kind of help you with, I guess, to make sure like the XL one fits, because when I went and actually went and tried to get like the only 246, I was like, So yeah, so here's how they are. Here's how they come, you know, it comes sealed in a package, all this kind of stuff like that. But right here, you just want to make sure all of the small little pieces there are the exact same. So if you kind of see here, let me try and get this in focus, you know, it's on point, you know, like you have the dots on top and all of them, make sure. So I didn't take off that piece yet that's over the actual ink, because I wanted to show you how they come new. So like, of course, I just wanted to compare it, right? So here, you know, I just wanted to compare again that it's the exact same ink cartridge, but it's XL for some reason, so it holds more ink. So yeah, like up on the sides, how it slides in. You know, I just wanted to make sure it was the correct ones, right? And here's a side comparison. As you can see, they're the exact same, which is perfect. So with that, so here's actually how to install them. So first, you have to make sure it's on, right? Because it won't activate and bring these to the center. Go up at an angle and it clicks up. And then after you close it, it'll be like, okay, I'm in, and again, it has to be on. And then as you remove it, it'll come down and then out. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, you know, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys. Have a good one.